Fuel cost and ways to reduce it. The airlines we are gonna mention in this presentation are first AirAsia, which is low-cost carrier airline, then Cathay and China Southern are full-service carrier airlines. In this presentation, first we will talk about the total fuel cost of each airline, then we will compute the fuel cost as a percentage of the total cost. We will discuss some ways to reduce the fuel cost and finally estimate the potential saving in fuel for each airline. Total fuel cost. First, I want to mention that all numbers in US dollar and it is in 2017. As we can see, AirAsia has the lowest total fuel cost because it is low-cost carrier airline. In order to compute the fuel cost as a percentage of the total cost, we have to divide fuel cost over total cost times 100. And we can see from the bar chart we made, AirAsia has 23.69%, Cathay 31.25%, Southern China 25.72%.
Now we're gonna mention three ways to reduce the fuel cost. Firstly, we will start with hedging. Hedging is an investment that protects your finance from risky situation, and most of the airlines prefer hedging as the most important elements to save and reduce the fuel cost. And we have an example here for Qatar Airlines. They use the hedging strategy, and as the reports say, they reduced their unit cost in 2004 from 0.26 USD to 0.23 in 2007. The second way to reduce fuel cost is the aircraft weight reduction. So they have positive relationship. If the aircraft is heavy, they will need more fuel, they will need more power, required power. Same as if the aircraft is light, they will need less fuel and less power required. So this is one of the best ways to reduce the fuel cost. The third way to reduce fuel cost is engine washing. According to the internal components of the engine are aerodynamics, so the aircraft engine will work more efficient when the engine parts are clean. So they have positive relation, the same as the aircraft weight. Whenever the engine is cleaner, they will use less fuel cost. And here is the part about saving 1% of the total fuel cost of the airlines. As we see, the fuel cost will reduce. And for our opinion, hedging is the most important part for reducing the aircraft fuel cost, as it enables them to enter into a contract to pay fixed price for their future purchases, and it helps them to minimize the effect of changing the fuel prices. And here is our resources. Thank you for listening.